Here's Yash Mokash here, and now we are going to see how to create a 3D models using 3D commands in Fusion 360 software. So let's get started. So if you click here on the create a drop-down menu, you will see these are the commands which we'll use to create a 3D models. But here, if you see, these are the four commands: extrude, revolve, sweep, and loft, which are widely used to create a 3D model. So we are going to master it, and for that, we'll start with the extrude command. If you want to create any 3D model, you just have to create a 2D sketch first. Then you can use 3D commands on that 2D sketches and you will create a 3D model. So this is the basic flow. So first of all, we will create a 2D sketch. For that, you have to create a hit here on the create sketch, then select a plane. I'm going to create a circle like this again, a circle into the circle, and rectangle again. There is a small rectangle over here and rectangle like this. Then hit finish this sketch. If I use this extrude command like this, you can see I can create a 3D model. If I use this extrude command and select this profile, just click on that arrow, grab it, and then drag it. It will automatically add the material along with that profile. You will see this is the box, extrude box, where you can change the operation to the new body, join, cut, like that. If you want to create a that cylinder at the both side, just change the direction, symmetric. That's how you can create a cylinder. Okay, I'm going to hit OK for now. Now the sketch will automatically hide. If you want to again unhide this, just go here on the browser and unhide that sketch. Again, I will use the extrude command like this. You can select any profile. If you want to select that inner profile, you can click on it and it will automatically select that inner profile as well. Then hit OK. Okay, now just select these two rectangles and extrude it like this. If I change the direction to the two side, you can control it from that other side also. That's how you can use the extrude option. Then hit OK. If I select this space and create sketch on it, you can see the sketch will automatically set on that face. Then you can again create a circle or rectangle on that face also, like this. If I create rectangle like this, hit select the profile, rotate it, and then just extrude it as you want. Okay, if you want to change the operation, you can change it from here. If I just drag it inside to that cylinder, you can see it will automatically cut. So that's how you can change the operation. Now we will see how to create a circle again. So just click here on, if you want to click on that face, just click here and then create a circle over here. Okay, I'm going to select this profile, or if you directly activate this extrude command, you can do that also. Just grab this arrow and drag it. Again, you will see there is this another option. If you grab this and drag it, you can see you can change the taper angle from here as well. Then just hit OK. So that's how you can create a conical shape. Again, for now, I'm going to delete these all bodies. If you click here in the bodies, you can see these are the bodies which we have created. Just right click on it and use the delete option. And you can see we can delete this. If you want to just delete these sketches, you can delete from here, and you can delete it from the timeline as well. Just just grab it and drag this, right click and delete all features after the history mark. So that's how you can delete the sketches and bodies. Now we will see how to use revolve option. So for that, I'm going to create a circle on that plane like this. Again, one rectangle for the reference, and then again one circle. Again, we will create a circle over here and then finish this sketch. Now, if I click here on the revolve, this box will open. So we have to select first profile. We will select these profiles. You can see 4 profiles are selected, and again we have to select the axis. Just click on the axis, rotate it a little bit and select the axis whichever you want. I'm going to select this axis for now. Once you select, you will see the change. Just hit the okay, you can see the change. If you want to control the amount of material added along with this axis, you just have to grab this and just drag it like this, or you can change the angle from here as well, like this, one direction, two direction, like that, and then hit OK. So that's how you can use the revolve option. Again, if I click here and create a sketch on that, if I want to create a circle over here, just finish it, select that circle, again use the revolve option, okay, and select that axis. We can add a material, we can remove a material. Just you have to reverse it down like this and you can remove a material. Then you will see operation is automatically changed to the cut. If you want to join, you can use joint and then hit OK. So that's how you can use revolve command to add a material along with the axis or to remove a material. If I want to delete these bodies, just select these two bodies and hit delete. Next, we will see how to create a sweep profile, how to use sweep command. For that, you just have to create two sketches on two different plane. First, we will create a sketch over here. I will create a circle like this. Again, finish this sketch and create a second sketch on the perpendicular plane. So I'm going to use this plane, and if I use the spline command like this, exit the command, finish this sketch. We have created two profiles. First, I will use the sweep command on this circle, and you can see the profile is selected, and you just have to select the path, okay, the path which will guide the profile to add a material. So select the path like this, and you can see we have added a material along with that path. So that's how you can use sweep option. You can use it to create a handle for the mug. So that's how you can create a 3D model. Again, we will delete this. Next, we will delete all these sketches. Select, hold the shift button and select the last sketch and then hit delete. The last one is loft. So for that as well, we have to create two sketches. So first we will create here on that bottom plane. So we will create a rectangle. We will create a center rectangle. Just draw a center rectangle like this. Finish this sketch. We have to create a second profile on the second plane. So for that, we have to create a one plane. Use this offset plane command. Select a plane, and you can see we can create a plane along with that reference of that plane. You can give a dimension, then hit enter. Now we have to create a second profile. Just select this, create a sketch. I'm going to create a circle like this, and then finish this sketch. Now we are going to use this loft command to create a 3D model to add a material between these two profiles. So just select these two profiles. Now you can see the material is added between that two sketches. So that's how you can use the loft command to create a 3D model between these two planes. So if you want to modify that 3D model, you can use this modify tab. These are the modified command which you can use. Like I have said, you can use the fillet option in 2D sketch and in the 3D commands as well. If I use this press pull and select this plane, you can use it like this to create to extend the design. Then you can cancel it. I will use this fillet command on this plane, and you can see we have created a radius at that edge. You can hit OK. If you want to create a shell, just select any plane, any surface of the 3D plane, and just drag this arrow, or you can give a proper dimension like 5 mm or 10 mm, then hit enter. You can see we have created a shell, we have created a hollow section into that 3D model. So that's how you can use the modified tab. If I want to just cut this body, just create a plane like this, mid plane, okay, then hit enter, and you can use the split body option. Select the body and select the splitting tool, and the splitting tool will be this plane, and then hit OK. Now you can see we have cut this body into the two parts. You can see it over here. If I click this, it will select, and you click M on your keyboard, or you can use the move command from the marking menu here, and then grab any arrow, and you can see we can move that part, we can separate that part. So that's how you can separate the part in a Fusion 360 software. Again, if I use this fillet command to these edges, you can use it to soften the corner. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Thank you.